This guy went from $3,300 all the way up to $65,000 in 1 week, while everyone else in crypto is losing money right now. How can it be done? Guys, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, showing you a brand new free tool that I have not discussed at all on this channel. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in the next 5 to 6 minutes. So hit the like button. Let's get into it, shall we? Well, guys, you know I'm pretty lazy, okay? I like to show you different tools, and in the past, I've shown you the token analyzer. I've shown you different tools to spy on different wallets. I've shown you ways to find massive wallets to follow in order to make huge gains. And if you're not subscribed, which you absolutely should be, you would have missed out on all of that. I've seen in my comments down below in the description, as well as in Telegram, and in the paid Discord group, people who have been using those tools to make thousands and thousands of dollars. So it's a no-brainer that you should be doing the same. DexCheckai is the tool of choice today. This is going to show us some very cool stuff. Come to DexCheckai, hit enter app. Here we are, guys. This looks a bit intimidating, but chill out. It's very straightforward. I've literally found it about 10 minutes ago. I'm playing with it. Decided to make a video as we work through it because I think that's the coolest way to do it, because I think then you understand what I'm learning about as we go and how you can just follow along too. So what we can see down below, guys, is a group of different Ethereum wallets. And we can see here you can choose the different chain. We can choose whatever. I'm just going to go with Ethereum for now. And then you can see top kind of volume and different things across here. Now, if you click on it, you can sort by those. I'm just going to click on top gainers. And here we can see a list of the top gaining projects. Now, there's some here that might seem a little bit too good to be true, like Frog here, that's done 165,000% in 24 hours and is now worth 4.2 million. Now, that might be true, but let's just stay away from it because it sounds a little bit too good to be true. Now, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to come down through, we're going to find something with like a reasonable market cap here. And you can see, I'm saying reasonable market cap, I mean like $1 million plus, okay? Let's just click on here what we got, Gym. Don't even know what it is, guys. I can see on scan, I can see whether it's a honeypot, I can see anything sketchy going on with it. Now, I'm not going to buy this Gym project, okay? I'm just going to take a quick look at it. Now you can see if I click across and we click on Gym, then we can see that this project has been booming pretty nicely, okay? This is important. It's up 41% in a period of time. I don't care too much about the chart. What I do care about, guys, is what is down here. And now these are all the different wallets and these are all the different trades. What I'm looking for is a red one with a big number next to it. Now, obviously, this is not a massive crypto project, but you can see down here this wallet has got $12,000. Let's click on analyze address. So far so good, right? I'm telling you, I haven't pre-prepped this video, guys. Literally, we're doing it as we go through. Pretty cool, right? So this guy, look at his wallet, right? What we can see is he's had a lot of L's, so maybe he's not the best one to look at right now. But to be fair to him, recently, he's had a few wins with Jim, Jesus, Dummy, Planet, Inu. I don't know these projects. Let's go back and find another one that's a little bit better, shall we? We're going to find another one here. We got a big sell here for $9,000. We're just going to click on that wallet here. And there we have it, guys. We have just found a really good wallet. Way better than I was anticipating, right? Now, I want to show you this profit bar here. Realized profit. Okay, guys, now I genuinely did this live. Like, I haven't gone and played around with this at all before. Look at this wallet. It's an absolute beast. Realized profit, $492,000 on Hex. Pepe, 28 grand. Blur, 25 grand. Look at them. Come down the list. Look at these wallet addresses, guys. This guy's made an absolute killing on everything. And okay, unrealized profit. If we come across Hex, it's down 81 grand. Unrealized again. Pepe is currently down 46 grand. And you know, a few of these unrealized, but he's been knocking or locking in profits as it goes. So yeah, the unrealized profits pay attention to. But this guy or girl, whoever it is, has been making some crazy cash, like genuinely. And now what we're going to do, and it's really easy, we're going to copy the address. And if you're like got some time on your hands over the weekend and you want to go and do this, and guys, this is risky, okay? You're not going to guarantee to make money, but follow a few guys who've been making like a little bit of money. It doesn't have to be $500,000 like this guy. Fair play to him. But it could be like someone who's consistently making gains in projects that you've never heard of. That's all right, okay? They don't have to be projects you've heard of, but don't just go buy them without checking them. Do a few checks first. Now, all of this can be done in the same place. I've been trying to think of a better way of doing this, but now this is obvious to me, okay? You see up here where it's got the wallet address, I can just click that little bell, and you see it brings me across to the Telegram channel here, and I can subscribe to the address. Please enter the wallet address you wish to track. Just paste it in there. You're now tracking the address. You'll get a notification for each trade. Do you want to track this address for easy reference? I can't believe that, guys. That is so cool. And that's free. And then if I want to, I can just unsubscribe. So when this dude is making a trade, consistently, he's been pretty profitable, I'm going to get a Telegram notification. Unbelievable. I know you're like, oh, you know, he's been practicing before. Guys, literally, this is the first time, okay? I'm shooting this video for about 11 minutes. I've made a few mistakes. But just do this, guys. So cool. So easy. Guys, if you enjoyed that and got value out of it, then hit the like button for me. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more tutorials like this, then just subscribe, guys. Absolutely no-brainer. I'm going to be bringing you every day excellent value. Link for that website I've been using down in the description, not associated with me. If you want to get into my free Telegram, it's linked down below. If you want to learn more about crypto projects I'm buying and stuff all the time, as well as tips and tricks, get into the Discord, $9.99 per month. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye-bye.